Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can revolutionize the way you power your home. We found the 30 kW off-grid solar system complete home kit, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The 30 kW off-grid solar system is a comprehensive solar power solution designed for those looking to harness solar energy independently from the traditional power grid. This complete kit includes 34.8 kW solar panels, a 30 kW 48V solar inverter, and a powerful 51.2V LiFePO4 solar battery. It's ideal for anyone interested in sustainable energy solutions for their home or business. Let's highlight some of the most important features. First, this system operates as a standalone power system, allowing you to generate power through solar panels, store that energy in a battery, and then use an inverter to power your appliances. This means you can enjoy energy independence, even during the night or on cloudy days. A standout component is the 48V 10 kW pure sine wave inverter, which includes a built-in MPPT solar controller. This inverter boasts an impressive tracking efficiency of up to 99% and a peak conversion efficiency of 98%. Such high performance ensures that you're maximizing your battery power without waste, making this system both efficient and effective. Now, who is this system suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners looking to reduce their reliance on the grid, as well as those who live in remote areas without access to traditional power sources. Additionally, if you enjoy camping or have a cabin, this kit can power your RV or other energy backup needs. Speaking of practical use cases, the 30 kW off-grid solar system can easily run essential household appliances like your refrigerator, air conditioner, and even your television. With its ideal daily output under sunlight, this system can significantly improve your quality of life by ensuring you have reliable power for all your needs. Moreover, the package includes everything necessary for installation: 550W solar panels, the 48V 10 kW power inverter with a built-in MPPT controller, the 51.2V lithium battery, and other essential accessories. Dawn Ice, the manufacturer, also offers a solid after-sale assurance. With a 10-year limited warranty and lifetime tech support, they provide confidence in your investment. Should you have any questions or need assistance, the Dawn Ice support team is always ready to help. They genuinely value your feedback as motivation to improve. In conclusion, if you're considering an off-grid solar solution, the 30 kW off-grid solar system complete kit is worth your attention. It not only offers independence and cost savings but also opens the door to a more sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.